Hi, I'm Shravan Patigunta, the CEO of Hyperspec AI. At Hyperspec, our aim is to accelerate the transition to full autonomous driving by enabling car manufacturers to teach complex concepts to machines using artificial intelligence. Today, we have islands of autonomy, which show a glimpse into our future. The journey from where we are today and where we need to be for full autonomy isn't easy. We're bottlenecked by AI capabilities, coverage of HD maps, and operational constraints to scale the technology. On average, an AV test vehicle is collecting 50 terabytes of data per day, and scaling this across an entire fleet of vehicles is not an easy job. Everything from data offloading to training and deployment of AI models is a heavy lift. On top of that, data that is valuable to increasing the safety and robustness of AI performance is buried under miles and miles of redundant information. Understanding the biases and unearthing the valuable edge case and corner case data is hard to do. Lastly, the people who are tasked to do this within car manufacturers aren't provided the proper tools to achieve this. They're either building their own workflows or creating workarounds with lots of overhead and manual tasks. At Hyperspec, we solve this problem by building and specifying a loop that creates an end-to-end unified product experience for developers to quickly collect data, label it, train it, validate the performance of the ML models. We even help automate the process to deploy these ML models back out to the fleet. To achieve full autonomy, it is estimated that this loop needs to be iterated upon at least 10,000 times. Companies that don't have a streamlined process to carry out this operation end-to-end stand at risk of falling behind. Our value to developers within the car manufacturers is that we provide supercharged tooling that allows them to bring their data to our platform to create ML models which can be deployed into vehicles fleets to further improve the performance of ADAS and AV. Your data, your models is the mantra through which we empower our partners to realize the vision towards faster iterations and deployment of AI models. At the core, our product provides AV developers the ability to train ML models for mapping, localization, perception on our platform using a database of scenarios, which is carefully collated and categorized for easy access. This database is integrated into the machine learning pipeline, which with visual inspection that drives the ground truth information. Real-world scenarios are also augmented with synthetic data to further improve the quality of the ML model. We do this by rebalancing data if certain scenarios are underrepresented in the machine learning pipeline. In summary, Road Mentor is a one-stop shop to quickly utilize the existing fleet data that is being collected to accelerate AV development and have a centralized location to manage the process end-to-end. We also include a reference implementation of the AV stack using the ML models in our RoadGraph SDK. This SDK includes the aerial to ground localization capabilities, the scene contextualization, which allows AV to easily modify and deploy the ML models into their vehicle platforms. If needed, we can also assist with optimizing and deploying the ML models into dedicated hardware with over-the-air updates by directly integrating Road Mentor and RoadGraph capabilities. The end impact of this is that we can utilize this framework to create a 10x increase in release cadence for ADAS and AV platforms, get better test coverage for the ML model performance, and have a streamlined process through which we can conquer the long tail of edge cases. Our team consists of some of the smartest researchers, scientists, and infrastructure developers who are putting together the seamless experience that will help accelerate AV development. Join us on this journey to capture some of the $2.1 trillion autonomous vehicle market by the year 2030.